How to add a YouTube video to your website. Videos are one of the most engaging types of content you can add to your site. In fact, 84% of people say a video has convinced them to buy a product or service. Weisel 2024. With eProfitify's Paraclete editor, adding a YouTube video is quick, easy, and works seamlessly on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Access the Video Embed plugin. In your eProfitify Paraclete environment, go to the left toolbar and scroll down to the Smart Plugins section. 2 ways to add your video. Drag and drop method. Click on the Video Embed plugin and drag it to the desired location on your web page. Place it carefully to avoid disrupting your page design. If placement is wrong, you can click the Remove Element red bin icon on the top right corner of the element, or click Undo from the top control bar, or press Ctrl-Z, keyboard shortcut for undo. Red plus sign method, recommended. Locate the area where you'd like to place the video. Hover your mouse over the element after which you want the video to appear. Click the red plus sign at the bottom of that element. A floating toolbar will appear, similar to your left toolbar. Scroll down to the Smart Plugins section and click Video Embed plugin. This ensures proper placement without disrupting your page layout. Step 2. Add your YouTube video. Copy your YouTube video URL from YouTube. In the Left Be Quick tab under the Video Embed plugin settings, paste your URL into the Video ID or Video URL box. Step 3. Publish your changes. Click Insta-Publish to see your video live on your site immediately. Pro tips: you can add as many videos as you want to a page. Keep your content fresh. Sites that include video are 53 times more likely to rank on the first page of Google, Forrester Research. Use videos to show product demos, Google Maps tutorials, client testimonials, or event highlights to keep your visitors engaged longer. That's it. This is your virtual friend Jam, signing off until the next session of this eProfitify tutorial series.